Hey guys, welcome to another scrap metal art video with Matt Waters. Today we're going to see what we can make cool out of these old metal panels right here that we have found. As you can see, we got a couple of them, so stay tuned and let's figure out what we're going to make. Okay, so I'm going to start out by making a couple of marks real quick for some cut lines. Got one here. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut this one piece right here real fast. Alright, there goes our first piece right there. Alright, and so now we're going to go ahead and cut our second piece. Alright, so now we got these two pieces. We're going to go ahead and stick these to the side. Okay, so now I've laid down the bigger piece that we had, right? The big square piece. So what I'm going to do is take one of my triangle pieces that I cut, and I'm going to lay it down in the corner right here, along this, and line it up real good. And I'm going to take my marker, and then I'm going to trace that, and I'm going to do that 3 more times. Alright, so now that we got that part marked right there, I'm going to go ahead and cut this section out. Alright, so now that that piece is cut, I turned it over and put another piece on there. We're going to trace that and cut that one out also. Alright, now we have all of our triangles cut that we're going to need. So now I'm going to start welding this stuff together, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to take 2 of my regular size triangles that I cut, and I'm going to weld them together just like that real quick. Now I'm going to take these 2 bars right here, these 2 long pieces, and I'm going to join them together real quick. Alright, so now we got this bar welded together. Alright, so now I got the 2 half triangles lined up with our lines here and there, and I got our bar going across. I'm going to go ahead and weld these corners, and then I'll mark about where they're going to go on the bar. That way I can clean all the paint off and get a good weld on it. Okay, so now that we've got everything lined up and cleaned up, we can go ahead and weld our corner right here, and we can weld our corner right here. Alright, so now that we're caught up with all our other pieces, we're going to take our last triangle, and I've gone ahead and marked the center mark and lined it up with the center of the tip of this triangle. So now we know where we're going to put it on this long piece. So I'm going to go ahead and weld that in place right now. Alright guys, so now we got the top part of this welded on and in place. So what I'm going to do is, those old 2 washers that was from earlier, they're just toast. We're not even going to worry about these. So we're just going to replace it with some brand new washers, nice thick gauge. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to go about 3 inches from each angle right here, and I'm going to put a mark just like that. Alright guys, so that's what we've come up with our scrap metal art project today. We've made a gold star. So if you like the video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hope everybody has a great day.